What's up, YouTube? I have another meme deck to show you guys. It's based on this Voltorb. It came out in the Vending series in Japan only. It never came out in English, but on this website, tcg1.net, they let you play with some Japanese exclusive cards. So this is in the base to Neo format. This Voltorb has a really weak HP, but free retreat, which is nice. Has Thundershock for 1 energy, and then Spark Together for 2 energy. This attack does 10 more damage for each Voltorb in play, so 20 plus. So if you have 4 Voltorbs in play, this does 60 damage for 2 energies, which is really good, really strong. It's hard to find a basic Pokemon or any Pokemon that can do 60 damage for 2 energies. So in the deck we have 4 Voltorb, of course, 3 Cleffa to help us get set up, 21 Lightning Energy. That might be too much. I could maybe tone that down a little bit. 4 Computer Search to help us get set up, because we need all 4 Voltorbs. Some item finders, plus powers, Professor Oaks. We run 4 revives, so after one of your weak Voltorbs die, you can just put it straight back onto your bench with a revive, and it just has 10 damage on it, which doesn't really matter. It's so easy to kill this guy anyways with just 30 HP. It doesn't matter if he has 30 or 20. Gust of Wind, so you can single out your opponent's vulnerable Pokemon or easy to KO Pokemon. Good Manners, this searches you for a basic, so helps you get all your Voltorbs. And then Focus Band, which just helps your Voltorbs stay alive since they're so fragile. So the deck is a little bit of a meme, but it does work. So let's see how it does in a game. All right, we just got in a game. Select your active Pokemon, Voltorb. Opponent will go first. Uh-oh. This is game over. This is a bad matchup. Well, all right, I'm in a game. Attach an energy and Eek. Gotta find me a Voltorb. Okay, we got a Voltorb. We got a Good Manners. All right, so it's important to leave 4 slots open for the Voltorb family. We have a Focus Band, so might as well attach that. Good Manners. Let's use it and grab a Voltorb. Let's see how many we have in our deck. Oh no, this is a disaster. There's only one other one in the deck. 2 of my Voltorbs are in my prizes. This is horrible. Let's Eek. We need more energies. We could item finder for an Erica if we had more Voltorbs in the deck. This is really unfortunate. I think it would be good to Gust of Wind and kill that Tyrogue, since it can one-shot me. spark together. Let's see if we can. Nice. Got a prize card. It's not a Voltorb, sadly, but it's a revive. Uh-oh, Machop. Don't do it, Machop. No. Send out Cleffa. Alright, let's revive that Voltorb from my gravy. Attach an energy. Oh man, this is gonna be rough. I guess we gotta eke. Okay, 2 revives. That should help. And a focus band. Oh no, this is horrible. This is so horrible. Alright, let's send out my Cleffa with no energies, because I'm not gonna eke this turn. And 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, I can kill Machop here, this menacing Machop, by reviving this Voltorb, sending out this one with a plus power, spark together, boom. Oh, second prize drawn, still no Voltorb. They're in here somewhere. Okay, he's nightly garbage running. Which one is a Voltorb? I need to know. Let's attach here, get that ready. Spark together. Nice. Come on, Voltorb. No! They're in these 3 cards here. So annoying. Oh man, he has 2 more Machops. This is bad. Can I kill a Machop? No. I can do 40 damage. Which is not enough to kill a Machop without a plus power. Should I oak trying to get a plus power? Oh man. Or item finder. I think I can do it. Let's gust out a Machop. Well, this revive is going to go to waste if I don't use it, so might as well grab that Cleffa. Put it on the bench. Did I attach an energy this turn? Let's put it on there. Oak it up. Computer search. Let's grab a plus power, man. Get rid of this Machop. These Machops are just so obnoxious. Spark together. Come on, Voltorb. Yes. Finally. Voltorb deck the way it's meant to be played. With Voltorbs. Boom. Oh, killed me even with my focus band. That hurts, bro. Alright, the good thing is we don't need plus powers anymore. We can just revive this guy. Send him out. Prepare our next Voltorb by attaching an energy. Spark together. Boom. Oh, and the last Voltorb is this guy right here. The last prize card. I'm actually winning. This is quite a feat considering there's so many fighting creatures that I'm weak to. Alright, he just super energy removaled my main Voltorb. He just Professor Elmed. Smoochum is using Blow Kiss, doing 10 damage to my Cleffa. All right, I'm fine with that. I just have one more prize card to get. So let's retreat this Voltorb and send out the one with the energies. Spark together, flip for baby rule. Wow, we did it. We finally got the last Voltorb. If Voltorb can win against this matchup, I feel like it should do pretty good against other ones. Thanks for watching.